What are the causes of a red eye? The commonest cause is an infection, a conjunctivitis. That's a viral or a bacterial infection affecting the conjunctiva. That's a transparent layer on the white part of the eye. Along with redness, if there's stickiness or discharge in the morning with a little soreness, then that clinches the diagnosis of an infective conjunctivitis. The second cause is usually allergy. So if there's itching, watering, slight mucoid discharge, but the patient has a tendency of allergic reaction, like on dust exposure, they're sneezing, then allergic conjunctivitis is the second commonest cause. Third can be dryness. Sometimes patients with severe dryness or blocked meibomian glands can present with mild redness in the eyes. Fourth, blood red eyes. Sometimes there's just a small blood vessel in the conjunctiva bursts, and then the blood spreads on the outside of the eye, and it looks quite scary because it's bright red, but usually the patient is symptomatic without any symptoms, asymptomatic. So the patient does not have any irritation, watering, vision is great, and this kind of redness, it's called a subconjunctival hemorrhage or a bleeding, and then your body will slowly reabsorb it. But patients who are usually on blood thinners, or if suddenly the blood pressure has shot up, or they've had a sudden bout of coughing or sneezing, a blood vessel can rupture in a middle or older age group usually, and this is usually harmless, though it looks scary, but that is a common cause of a red eye. And the last cause, I would say, some trauma. Sometimes something flew in the eye. It could be a blunt trauma, you banged your eye, or there's a chemical injury or a thermal injury that can also cause a red eye. Not all red eyes are the same. Sometimes there's inflammation inside the eye that's caused the eye to become red, painful, or the pressure in the eye has gone up. So you need an eye examination to find out the exact cause of a red eye. Thank you.